In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a zip file with a password. So you need to locate your files and have them ready to be zipped. Now, if you highlight all of them and then right click and go to compress to, you can go to zip file or additional options, but it isn't going to let you add a password. What we need to do instead is download an external software. So go to Google and type in WinRAR and then click enter, and we can download it. It's www.win-rar.com. It's important to know you will need WinRAR to password protect the files, but the person that you're sending them to won't need WinRAR to enter the password and access them. So go ahead and click download WinRAR, then scroll down and click download WinRAR. It's completely free and it will be free forever. Then the download will start. You can go ahead and open this. Here's the installation wizard of WinRAR. Go ahead and click on install. It's very simple. And then click OK. Then click done, and you've now installed WinRAR to your computer. Now if you highlight all of your files, you can right click and then click on WinRAR. Then you want to click here, add to archive. This will then open, and you can then choose archive format, zip. And here in the bottom right, we can click set password. Enter the password and then re-enter it. You can then click show password if you want to see it, then click OK, and then OK again. Now your files have been zipped. You can rename this folder. Now when someone tries to extract this file, it will then ask them for the password, which they can enter, and then they'll be allowed to extract and access the files.